ba nani nani noni. The grammar of ba nani nani noni is mean would have, should have, if only something. And how to use. In Japanese, when you want to use the grammar of ba nani nani noni, that means you should change the verb or the adjective or the noun to the ba form. For the verb, you can change the verb to be the ba condition form. For example, ik ba, something like this. Kk ba, something like this. And now adjective, as we just learned the last moment, you cut the e out of the adjective and end by kereba. Yasashi kereba, something like this, right? For the now adjective, you just end by nara and plus by some cross and end by noni. And for now, you just use the same as na adjective, which means plus nara and plus some cross and end by noni. The meaning of the grammar of ba nani nani noni, that means if you do this, you get better with something, right? That means you will use in the situation that something happened. But if you have the better, if you do this solution, you can get better, but you don't do. So you can use the grammar of ba nani no need to help explain that feeling. To make more understand, let's see some sample. このカバン欲しいけど高いな。もっと安ければいいのに。このカバン欲しいけど高いな。もっと安ければいいのに。Which means, I want this bag, but it's pretty expensive. If only it were a bit cheaper, or something. That means this bag is pretty expensive, but if cheaper, I will buy something like this. The next example. もうちょっと早く来れば大好きなアイドルが見えるのに。もうちょっと早く来れば大好きなアイドルが見えるのに。Which means, if only I came a little earlier, I can have seen my favorite idol. If only I came a little earlier, I could have seen my favorite idol. This means if you come faster or you come earlier, you can see your idol, but you just come a little late, so your idol went away, so you cannot see. So to explain this feeling, you can use 早く来ればアイドルが見えるのに something like this. The next, 日本語がもっと上手なら仕事が見つけれるのにな。日本語がもっと上手なら仕事が見つけるのにな。Which means, if only I were better at Japanese, I would be able to find a job. If only I were better at Japanese, I would be able to find a job. 映画はとても面白かった。君も行けばよかったのに。映画はとても面白かった。君も行けばよかったのに。Which means, the movie was very interesting. You should have come. The movie was very interesting. You should have come. It doesn't mean that when you went to see movie alone and that movie was very interesting, and your friend very interested in that movie, but your friend didn't go with you. So you can say that if you uh, came with me, is better, is very good for you. To express that feeling, you can use Kimi mo ikeba yokatta no ni, something like this. If you come with me, it's better, it's great, it's wonderful, it's good for you, something like this.